another Champions League night, but crucial to fully understand where every single team be when it comes to UEFA Champions League with the group standings. But Abu, and the group how many was so far? The group E and the group F. Now on your screens on group E, Feyenoord, Eddie Kine, out of the 3 games were winning 2, Elusu 1 or 6 points. Anna, Ohe Atletico de Madrid, I want to toss you out of the 3 games were winning 1, I draw 2 or 5 points. Then Lazio, 4 points. Then Celtic, 1 point. Then no A group F, Paris Saint-Germain, 6 points. Borussia Dortmund, 4 points. Newcastle, 4 points. AC Milan, 2 points. Now, in this particular context of discussion, say about the UEFA Champions League in terms of Group E and Group F now. Sir, yeah, go home and away, be at one team and very crucial if you want to qualify at this stage. So in the encounter no musi ansa na eba be ko break here o ma mo bi the ball league matches ayese be no. Who we na say Feyenoord any Lazio e boy. And na Feyenoord e dey share Lazio. Ana abenya Atletico Madrid ni Celtic boy na 2-2. So this time around Atletico Madrid have the opportunity so no be 7 points. Lazio have another opportunity so no benya 7 points. So e dia bro e Feyenoord no 6 in the so. So it's very crucial in terms of this home and away na omobo in that league format now, it be a curve now, very crucial for your qualification. More of the same 4 Paris Saint-Germain, Borussia Dortmund, Newcastle, and AC Milan. It's your games near be featured and the kind AC Milan and Paris Saint-Germain. But in context to discussion of the Paris Saint-Germain and AC Milan game, no man you be the kind. The Theo Hernandez and Lucas Hernandez, or my brother Panada Mades, no, or Muju Medina. Then Zaire-Emery, Akodareso awasi so a Daniel Medi Momo. Then what could it mean for AC Milan? So Mulusu game no for Stefano Pioli. Nancy pressure ban super. But Abu, in terms of Air Brothers or Motimesi, I can Michael Abosu Debiama Debia. Listen to what Antimi Sam go through game. But when Theo Hernandez, Ninia, and Lucas Hernandez are, Abu, you definitely ask yourself, say, is this also going to be a test for Brothers Love? Because a crucial stage of the Champions League where emotions are high. AC Milan with 2 points, PSG with 6 points. AC Milan really game now over 5, PSG aka 6. It is a match attention wompa. A tension wompa. So it's going to be a test for 2 of them in terms of Omodora and Womuntem. But when it comes to testing their love as brothers, it has happened on 2 crucial occasions where most of them have defied the odds and shown a real phenomena. The entire odo eyesoronko ana moja emodu bibia na Abu de kan aya omo papa eje omo ho because o check here omo papa nkasa ebobo obo papa professional football Jean-François Hernandez obo Atletico obo Vallecano obo Marseille obo Toulouse obo Sochaux but omo papa ni ja omo ho no e ma ne beka omo ma mepe no. That was the first test of the brotherly love we were expecting. Say, be a community bed, a better back of a papa ho, never quack home, ho. Now, so there be a woman in arts now boom, any boom, despite being born in Marseille, or Montana on my entire life in there. It will be hard. Sometimes they feel more like we are Spanish than say we are French. Yes. Because of baby or Motana, Edini. So, I know me to me and break your mama, I mean, I'm not now. I'm a sincere, no matter professional football. The second test for their love came as at when Theo Hernandez any opportunity so beko trials for Atletico de Madrid. And you Lucas na no peno. Omo tro ankasa de command Theo na kwaye trials mo. Oh yeah no. Na wo so ma me free Air France as that time baby o ye bia jai. E ba no be he ne ba no se de no masiti ko. Na no no ba ye no na onya obi amfa Lucas emfani nya. So the Lucas so be di na chi na ba. It is your air trials now. Lucas so ni obi di na chiro obobo we bobo kosoro na we abo an Atletico for se derby. We su nimbo. Mo for no so be dey. Emeka. And omo ye na quick. And omo ye na quick. But no ne ba ye no. Lucas no benya senior team ni bon tem di jani nua team. Just by say, Theo and your trokoma ese trials no on na mbra. Another test of the brotherly love. Obi akobeka say, "Oh, na me kwa na me di kan ba ye, ana me nua no, ana say nsem bebre." But it puts them to a test where both of them pass successfully. Anabako ekosi akaide ma Real Madrid at some point in time. Ninu na bo Atletico Madrid na movie e de kopie mu Bayern Munich. for a certain amount me ji 2 years say na higher at the Atletico de Madrid. So these two tests of love have come a passe a call. Another test eba and match between Paris Saint-Germain and AC Milan na ji 2 years say it's even much more crucial than what we saw in the first leg because of the points gap between the two of them. Now, eno na Abu Dhabi, Osha games of Mumienu na nkasa na bono. When time Mumienu aboti omuhu. During their days in Spanish La Liga, Alaves ni Atletico de Madrid. Theo Estate, Lucas Amo against Real Madrid. Theo Amo, Lucas Boma Atletico. Against Real Madrid na Lucas Tatimo Atletico, Theo na Amo. Against Real Sociedad, and also Theo Kotremo Real Sociedad.
Yes.
And also so Lucas Tate, Theo Amo. Then Real Sociedad ni Atletico return leg. Lucas no injured by Theo Tate game no. So this is the first time in terms of club side last match omo boy no. Yenya so mu no start and almost asubo bi. And points will be crucial in this particular encounter. And Abu, let's see how the test will go abra omo mienu ni na ebo for the other side. Their mother will be so proud for an encounter. Zaire-Emery yabeka na sema 17-year-old waje Paris Saint-Germain in naso. Now because of him also Luis Enrique ba PSG na the formation of with the 3 back.
Yes.
3 back no we call 4-3-3. 4-3-3 no because of Abrante was sana ba end the 4-2-2-2. They said the RB Leipzig ebono. It is Javi Simons ni Omo as the wingers. This time around yenya say bia Lee Kanyi One Dembele and Ebo as the wingers, but at the base of the midfield is Ugarte and Zaire-Emery. But Adiama Kula we dem Musunkoni said, Tamana Messi ni Mbappe mu bo Paris Saint-Germain Daniel Monre no da suko school.
Sompa Sports.
It is small boy our take class de bi asua de and the kroni nyina be si ni na so a. So we Kylian Mbappe di ni si nchen a. Abu we another test for him to prove to Yasser Fernandez and say he has come and he has announced himself after that particular super performance against Paris Saint-Germain, AC Milan in the first leg. It is a game no better another test. Stadio di San Siro. That is a stadium where heroes are made, where history are made. San Siro, Abu Oko now to me down what the Bobia a pija dimu ye pa. And your stadiums you UEFA Champions League was what to be called now maybe or Abu. Would you prepare free books muda? They are historical stadiums within the Champions League. They have a history with the competition where are aligned with each other. It makes stars, it makes heroes on a certain night. Anfield, Santiago Bernabeu, Nou Camp, San Siro. Estadio do Giuseppe as the one is also San Siro. Then Bayern Munich home, Allianz Arena.
Old Trafford, yeah.
Yes.
Old Trafford so there.
So it makes a player with Damuson because Daniel maybe and tonight will be a bigger test for him. We are looking forward. Semenyo, a better post in Theo Hernandez tomorrow because Kalulu Epra. Then Calabria, Tijani Rendes, Lossi Chick Ni Eunice Musa, Rafael Lia, Olivier Giroud, Christian Pulisic. Then Donnarumma, Theo Lucas Hernandez, Milan Skriniar, Marquinhos, Hakimi, Ugarte, Zaire-Emery, Lee, Dembele, Kolo Muani, and Mbappe. Abu, key battles in Yedi Kambo Bosso Dada. Yebe say Mbappe, Menede Hawa, Tomori ne, Tia Mubesia handle is very key in this particular encounter. But me jitu me say Paris Saint-Germain wa more than say the San Siro Mesa Kwako Roma Kwako Yibi AC Milan. Paris Saint-Germain double chance end over 1.5. Anytime goal scorer ubetima call Ediama Kylian Mbappe. For AC Milan anytime goal scorer ubetima call Olivier Giroud or Christian Pulisic in this particular contest. Dortmund babon no more than abo Newcastle. But the last manager to win an English manager in context English manager oko win Newcastle San Siro and answer against a German opponent. Germany was Sir Bobby Robson. That was in 2003 with Newcastle. And on the Omokosho by Leverkusen by 3-1. German soil. So Eddie Howe has an opportunity to write his name in the history books and then number against Borussia Dortmund or the Westfalen Stadion. Now Abu Dhabi in this particular game, you two years Kobel, Besimbani, Schlotterbeck, Nicolas Sula, Reisen, Oscar, Julian Brandt, Inemcha, Marco Reus, Falkirk, and Malin, and the best at Ede Ama, Borussia Dortmund. On the other hand side, Nick Pope, Kieran Trippier, Fabian Schär, Lascelles, Ubenya Livramento, Longstaff, Gumaresh, Willock, Anthony Gordon, Wilson, and Amiron. Abu, Newcastle have the men. They will go with a lot of intensity, but they still have problems with their away games. and Abu, they are not consistent enough in winning many away games. And this is where Newcastle fall short. But in terms of hunger, first, quality, Newcastle will prove actually this season say against tougher opponents, they are always there.